In this Guru Schools lecture, I'm going to go ahead and talk about, actually, I'm going to discuss about the campaign of the search ads, the campaign of, Google Ads account. As we have created the Google Ad account, if you remember, there were so many tabs, and let's talk about this time campaigns. So let's come back to the Google Ads, and I'm going to the get more customers with easy online, and then I'm going to sign in myself. It should take my sign in directly. Yes. So as we have opened our Google Ads, so it directly took me the sign in. Now, if you look at the very left corner of your screen, there is an option which says campaigns. So if you hit on this, it will take you a page which will look like this. Now, in the center of this page, you have an option which says new campaign, or else you can also hit on this plus icon. It will also ask you new campaign or load campaign settings. Okay. So new campaign, you know what the new campaign is. Like if we are going to create a new campaign, but what about load campaign settings? It means if you, in the past, if you have created any kind of a campaign, you can load that pre-settings of that campaign and put that into your new settings. You can do that. If I hover my mouse on this, it would ask, it would say the same. Load settings from an existing campaign. But we don't need that because we haven't created yet. So let's go to the new campaign first. If we go to the new campaign, it would take to this page. It says sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visits and promotions. But we are not going to talk about this at all right now. We'll directly go to create a campaign without a goal guidance. Hit on that, and this is how it would look like now. Now, look at this. How many options the Google is giving to you? You have 8 options. First, search, display, shopping, video, app, smart, local, and discovery. These 8 options are providing to you. So first, as we are creating the search ad, so I'm going to hit on search. And once you hit on search, it would ask you these questions. You don't need to answer them. Just say continue. Okay. Now, if you look in the upper row of this, all right, get started. There is a tour about it. So let's take the tour as well. Next, please. Okay, I can see that. There's a publish campaign. When you are ready to publish this campaign, click publish in the preview step. I would say next. You can repeat these tasks at any time by clicking guided steps from the help icon. All right. I would say leave it just. Now it says select campaign settings. Now you have these 4 criteria which you need to fill to get your successful, to get the ad successful and to publish your ad. So first it says select campaign settings. Let's see what it's asking about. So first it says campaign name, then it's asking about the networks. And if I say show more settings, then you have so many options. Start date, end dates, campaign URL, dynamic search, ad ends, ad schedules, locations. It's all like, are you going to use this ad for all the countries and territories or only about in India, or enter another location, whatever you like. You have so many options. We'll discuss about that. We have languages. How many languages do you want to go for? Audiences. Then it's asking about your budget. Then it's asking about your bidding, like what kind of biddings you can go for. Then we have more settings like conversions. As I told you, there are gonna be your terminologies like bidding, the conversions. That's why I take you through with that standard terminologies so that you will be able to comfortable that. Ad rotations. Then you have ad extensions. We'll also learn how to add the extensions and what are the uses of that. Let's just go ahead and say save and continue. I don't need to go for that. I think it would ask me for budget first. Oh, it didn't ask me. It says incomplete myself. I did not complete that, but that's okay. Now it says a new keyword experience. Google can help you get relevant keywords for your ads. Wow. Will provide suggestions based on your website or the products and services you offer. All right, get started. Again, a tour. Let's take that. Will generate keywords based on your website content. Okay. Type in words or phrases that are related to what you are advertising. The information you enter will help generate relevant keywords. Okay. Keywords will be generated based on the data you enter, edit or remove keywords to customize your campaign. Okay, no problem. Was this guide useful? I would say yes, this one was good. Okay, now it's asking my group name, my keywords. As I told you, what are the keywords, right? And then, yeah, if you want to get a new ad group as well. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. In a single campaign, you can run multiple ad groups. And in a single ad group, you can run multiple ads. So there is a tree. First, suppose this is a campaign, and inside this campaign, suppose you are running 5 groups. In a single group, suppose you are running the 5 ads. So there is a tree, you know, the binary tree, which we used to make in our school days. I just remember that. I don't know why. I would say save and continue. Just move on this. And then it says create ads. Then you are going to create your ad, whatever the ad is that. And then you can just go for review and it would be done. So once it is done, you are good to go. And of course, as it says publish, you can publish your ads according to yourself. So this was the, kind of a highlight, what all we need to put and what are we needing to create an ad. So let's be on this page. Except this, I want to tell you one more thing about in this video. It's about billing. So if I talk about billing, let's go to our main home page. This is our home page. So if you want to look how the billings look like, so we can go to tools and settings. Inside this, you have billing. Then we can simply go to the settings. Why billing is important? Of course, if we are going to run the ads, we need to pay to the Google some of the things. So these are the settings of the billing. It says billing country, that's India, and you have the INR as well. Then you have the account type. Is it an organization or your individual? Then you have the organization name. Then you have your payment method. Is it credit card or debit card? And yeah, this is called your automatic payments and manual payments. Look at this. If you want to go for automatic payments, of course, you can add your card and Google will deduct the payment by itself. You don't need to do the payment again and again and again. Okay. But suppose if you took the manual payments, then you need to specify the payment. Suppose you have added 1,000 rupees to your Google account. Suppose you have added 1,000 rupees. So once the 1,000 rupees did not complete, Google will take the money from that amount only. Google will not touch your card or maybe your banking mode. It wouldn't touch that. But once the 1,000 is completed, you will get the notification for that. So you need to keep on updating, or you need to put the money every time by yourself. So it's totally up to you. It's totally your call for which payment method do you want to really go for. Of course, pros and cons are every side. So what's the pros and cons? You know better than me. So I don't need to tell that. Yeah, that's your billing setups or settings. You can say anything. Then you have summary. That's going to be same as of now because we haven't created any kind of billing right now. So there would not be any kind of summary yet. You can also go for documents. If you want to go for documents as well, you can documentations. It's going to be same because we haven't created anything. So let's just come back to our page. Yeah. So that's all for this video that we have learned about the campaign structure, what all the structure it's gonna be till we publish the ad, and what's all the structure for billing payments as well. Yeah, that's it for now. Go ahead and try to look at your campaign as well and try to decide which campaign your product or your advertisement fall on. Then yeah, we'll move to the next videos and I'll see you there.